This wonderful 2009 Volkswagen Touareg 2 has been detailed and is now ready for the road. This vehicle has lush anthracite leather seats, and is equipped with a responsive 3.6-liter 6-cylinder 24-valve engine, a fluid 6-speed automatic transmission, and has the control of full-time 4-wheel drive with a locking differential. Its electronic features include an AM/FM stereo system, a CD player and a keyless entry system. The safety features on this vehicle include a 4-wheel anti-lock braking system, child safety locks and daytime running lights. Call or come in today to arrange a test drive.